Hello everyone, welcome to the channel to learn about a new AI powered research tool, and the name of the tool is Notebook LM. So this Notebook LM is a research tool by Google Labs, and it helps particular users to work with their own documents and the resources that created by the user. And moreover, we can upload PDF, we can work on the Google Docs, we can work on the slides, and even though we can work with the websites that already created. What is the main purpose of this notebook LM is to summarize your work, to explain your work in the form of the question answers, right? So let's start to learn that what is the main purpose and how we can use this notebook LM. So just simply open the google.com, and after that you just simply enter the name, that is notebook LM, right? So you just enter it, it will show you the link for the Google notebook LM. Whenever you click over here, it will reflect to the notebook, it will just forward to the notebook LM, and after that you will get a link here, that is try notebook LM. So whenever you click over here you will find out that I have created one notebook already. Along with this, you will find out the create notebook, right? New notebook. We just simply click over here, and after that you will get a new notebook, right? So here are some options which is related to the notebook LM, that how we can use this notebook LM on the with the help of the Google Labs. So here are two options, three options in fact. The first thing is, if your document is present in your system, then only then you can directly upload the document from here. That is choose file, right? That can be your PDF, that can be your text file, that can be your audio file. Next one is, if your document is present in your Google Drive, you just simply click over here and you can directly add your document from the Google Drive to here. Next one is the link. Link, what type of link we can add? We can add the website's link, we can add the YouTube link, right? Third one is your pasted text. If you want to just understand the text that is present in your document, you just copy here and you can get the answer accordingly. Here, this is the place where you can copy your text and get the answer accordingly. So next one is, let's start to learn that how we can add a link from the Google and get the information related to this. So here you can find out the website link and the YouTube link. I just simply enter here a YouTube link. So I have already get this link here. I just simply copy from this place and add here in the YouTube link. So here you can see that I have just added the YouTube link here. Whenever I just click here, you can find out at the left side, it was just showing the name of the link, right? And link means your YouTube link. The 6 Python project with the source code, this was the link. Here at the center, you will find out the small description related to your YouTube link. And the right side, you can find out multiple options for your link. First thing is, you can create a audio in multiple languages, and the languages are present here. You can find out, right? Next one is audio overview. In this audio overview, what you can find out, the content present in your YouTube, it will just summarize and create a audio for you. In the same way, video overview represents what? Whatever the content is present in your YouTube video, it will just create a small video, means summarize the summary of your video, right? Next one is the mind map. It will just create a graphical representation of the content which is present in your YouTube link. Next one is a short report. The content which is present in your YouTube link, it will generate a summarized report accordingly. Next one is the flashcards, and next one is the quiz. So let's start to create the mind map of your content that is present in your YouTube link. So you can find out it's just generating the mind map. Just click over here. It's created by the system. Here in front of you, your YouTube video starts with this content and further divide into the multiple projects. So here in this arrow, you can find out there is something present in this first project. Whenever you click over here, it will just simply show that what actually the content is present here. In the same way, project 2 represents, you can make it short even to get more about this. So it will show you that project 2 having some content. Along with this, at the middle of this, you can find out that according to the click, it will show you the answer, the summary of the content that is present in your link, right? So moreover this, you will create a quiz on your content. So here, in the meantime, it's just generating the quiz. There is a one more option which is present here. Here under the this center point, you will find out the start typing. Whatever the question is coming in your mind, you just simply enter here, like what is the content present in the video. So you just mention the question. According to this, it will give you the answer. So in the meantime, it's just working on the video and it will reflect the answer yes. So my question was, what is the content present in the video? So accordingly, it just give the answer. The content present in the video based on script provided focuses on describing 6 different Python projects that can be used to enhance a resume, right? So here are some small description is present here that is generated by your notebook LM. So in the meantime, you just find out there the project quiz is ready. Whenever you click over here, you will find out the question, right? The question is here. So accordingly, you can choose the answer. Suppose I'm choosing this is wrong. What is the actual answer? So this is the correct answer. It will show you the correct answer of this. Next event, there is a one more question and accordingly it will give you the answer. In the same way, you can work on the websites. In the same way, you can work on your document that is present on your system as well as present on your Google Drive. So thank you so much for this video. Thank you.